Good morning students. Welcome to the English class. Today let's understand report writing. First of all, what is report writing? Report writing is an attempt to gather information about an event, incident or accident from the persons concerned, the parties involved, the victims and authorities. The third person's point of view ensures objectivity in report. It means to give words to any event by collecting the information related to it, by being a witness or from any other sources, preferably direct sources. Now let us discuss about the parts of report writing. Number 1 comes heading. Remember students, to make heading catchy. Heading is essential. The report may be in 1 or 2 paragraphs, give details of events, incident, date, time, venue and other relevant facts. Students, certain points to keep in mind while attempting report writing are: be objective. Objective behind the report writing should be met, as we write report to serve a purpose. Do organize the details properly in sequential order like date, time, venue and include all the relevant points. Present the material systematically and logically. Now let's understand how to write report for a school magazine. Students, many might have contributed in writing report for school magazines and they are, I'm sure, familiar with format. So during report writing for a school magazine, remember heading. Heading plays an important role. Try to make it catchy, interesting and short. Heading may be like for annual day celebrations, for bidding farewell or for any event in school. Under heading we mention writer's name and class. Now please have a thorough look on the format. See, this is the format. As I told you, heading or title of the happening event. See, it is there by name of the writer and class, like Mukul, class 12th, by Simran, class 11th. How should the language be for report writing for school magazine? This is a very important question. See, it should be semi-formal, means casual, but not so casual approach should be followed. Keep the language simple yet appealing. Don't overdo with difficult vocab. Keep the language simple enough to be understandable without much efforts. Now see, language should be semi-formal. Try to be simple but attractive and appealing. Avoid displaying with linguistic ability. Now coming to the content. Content: factual information about school, activity or event, date, time, venue of the activity event, sequence of event or program, information about participants, chief guests, judges, kind of organization, people responsible for program, arrangements, results if describing a contest. These are important points for content, date, time and venue. As I told you, is very important to mention the chief guests, judges, participants, all should be included. Also keep in mind to mention about the organization, also about the people responsible for the event. Now next is report for newspaper. Students, it's gonna be bit different from the one we discussed for school magazine. In report writing for newspaper, we include describing about crimes, views, political, etc. So let's start with it. Report for a newspaper. Usual subjects: political news, sports news, crimes, accidents, natural disasters, etc. And format is headline, byline. See, headline, that should be precise enough to relate to event. Then is byline, that is by a correspondent, reporter or any agency as its source. And see, byline, it includes by whom has the report been submitted. Example, for example, by Ram from Times of India or by Anshul from Times of India. Then is date line, date and place of occurrence. See, date line, this is very important to mention. Date and place of occurrence of event. For example, see, you can see in the example headline. For example, we can write scam reported by ABC, by Sunita, TOI means Times of India, staff reporter, and the name of the place, Varanasi, then date, and as venue and date is important. So place can be any, New Delhi or Varanasi. Now let's start with language and style. It should be quite formal. Passive voice is preferred. Journalistic jargon, vocabulary, expressions, etc. according to ministry, party, spokesman or according to government sources, and use words like alleged or suspected before murderer, smuggler, thief, etc. Now content. It is most important. What is content? Is a body. It is most important. The main information given is given in the first 2 or 3 sentences. Other essential information like date, place, occasion, etc. follow. Presentation should be symmetrical. Now, coming to sample, see, go through the samples carefully and practice the one given as for homework. These are the samples, and this is for the last one is for homework. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay home.